Hi and welcome back. The other day we unboxed some accessories that I picked up and it came in this fantastic case. As you can see, I was able to put everything back in a neat and orderly fashion, except that there are some accessories that, while they would fit, I determined they were more specific use, and in this case for water. So things like the floating handle, the anti-fog insert, some of these little cable ties and things. I was also able to put in here a few other things like my egg timer for doing time-lapse photography and things. So I've got this, but I realized I'm really missing just a few accessories that I might want for water sports. And so I've ordered those and they're coming today. And the idea is to actually make a separate kit, which is the water kit. So let's unbox this thing. Wow, and so it came in a very similar package, very small. And inside of this, we'll see what we can find. Little product card, nice microfiber, some more anti-fog inserts, very important. And it did come as well with a hard case. Now the new Hero 8 by GoPro Black does not come with a case, doesn't need a case. However, I'm thinking for saltwater activities I still might want to use this. And a secondary purpose is when I store the camera, I can put it in here, but it might bounce around. So if I put it inside of the case first, it'll add just a little extra protection. Now, on the other hand, maybe I don't need the protection because I am subscribed to the GoPro Plus program, which lets me replace up to 2 cameras a year with no questions asked. So it's a good monthly program, gives you unlimited cloud storage as well as 50% off all accessories. So here we have the case, and this is specific for the Hero 8 Black. It's a nice tight seal around this thing. Maybe too tight. And nice little pop sound as that opens up. That's good. That means it's going to be watertight. Also with this came a number of little filters. And these filters are for different depths in water or for greenish water. And it came with 3 of these filters which fit right inside of this case. And it will give a nice hue to the video, make it look more authentic and realistic. In addition, we have a little case made of silicone. Very nice. They do sell these as well on the GoPro website, but just a little extra scratch proofing protection and a little wrist strap if you want to carry it around with you, I suppose. Here's the third of those filters. And I'll keep them in their plastic so they don't get scratched. And then finally, it comes with some GoPro Hero 8 glass, and this is for protecting your screen on the back as well as the lens in the front. Again, if those get damaged, they are replaceable under the GoPro Plus subscription, but it's nice to have a little extra assurance and security. So this case with all of its places will become the underwater case for those expeditions, whereas I'll use this one as kind of the everyday go-to case with the accessories for whatever we need. So excited to give this thing a try, and I'll show you what that looks like in a future video.